for this hairstyle, I decided to keep my fringe just because I have a fringe and I feel like it's going to look kind of weird if I move it away. And I also curled my hair outward. You guys can see this kind of sort of curl instead of inward. It kind of goes outward, kind of like Sana. So that's kind of what I wanted to do before I even started the hairstyle. That's what you guys want to do before, ahead of time. And then I'm just going to kind of brush my hair upward with my hands. Definitely recommend you guys to use a brush. It does make it a lot easier and it makes the hairstyle look a lot cuter as well because there's no flyaways or anything like that. As you guys can see here, I'm using the small brush that kind of helped my hair get in place, and this is kind of what I'm doing first. Let me know which is your guys' favorite member from the group Twice. Sana is super pretty. I really want to do a cute look inspired by her, and since she has short hair like I do, well, at least in this picture, I want to do something like that. You're going to start off by using a small rubber band or whatever rubber band works for you guys. Since I was grabbing a little bit more hair for this part, I didn't grab a very small rubber band. It's a little bit more of a thicker, medium-sized one. And here I'm just tying my hair, kind of brushing my bangs as well, styling them in place. If you guys don't have a fringe and you obviously are not going to, style your hair like that, you guys can kind of split your hair in half and kind of style it like Sana, make it work. Just because I had a fringe, I wanted to style it like that. I'm using this white bow. Sana, I think, is using this dark blue or black bow, but I didn't have one like that and I wanted to go more with the style that I was going for, a more cutesy vibe, and I used this white bow that I feel like worked really well for this look. And I'm kind of styling my hair in place, and with that you are done. This is one of my favorite looks to use. I really like this hairstyle for like fancy looks or for more cutesy looks. I feel like Sana totally worked this look, and it definitely inspired me to do this style. I feel like I kind of made it my own style, but you guys can totally do the same thing. The actual concept is just kind of curling your hair a little bit and doing kind of a half up, half down kind of look. And I think the bow adds a nice cutesy vibe to it. So I feel like this is definitely one of my most favorite looks from the hairstyles I'm going to show you guys today. Next look is inspired by the beautiful Momo. She does have a fringe, so this hairstyle was quite easy for me. I could actually leave my fringe and it would look good with the style, I guess. And this is just going to be like two little cute pigtails, so I'm grabbing just a small section of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see here, but my hair is slightly curled because I had done Sana's hairstyle first, which I wanted to leave my hair kind of curled just because, as you guys can see here, Momo had her hair kind of like in these typical Korean waves. I don't know how to do that, so I kind of left it with a nice cute little curls at the bottom. But anywho, you're going to get a small little black elastic and you're going to tie your hair in place. I'm doing the exact same thing onto the other side, getting my brush, brushing my hair nicely. Like I said, use a brush. It's definitely going to make sure that the hair looks nice. There's no flyaways. It's going to look more nice and polished. And I'm going to grab a small black rubber band and I'm going to tie my hair in place. Because I'm grabbing a small section of my hair, I'm not going to use a very thick or large rubber band. I'm using a very thin, small one, and I'm kind of tying my hair in place like so. This hairstyle is also super cute, and it's also quite simple. I think it's a little bit more simple than Sana's hairstyle, but I absolutely love it. I think it's a very cutesy, feminine style. I think it works with all different looks, and Momo clearly really rocked this hairstyle. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love this look. I think it doesn't just work for like K-pop cutesy looks, but it also works for the more kawaii look, or if you're into like anime cosplaying or anime fashion, the cutesy look. I think these little pigtails would work really good for that kind of style. For this third hairstyle, I'm just going to be doing some braids. So what she did here is like some more intricate braids. They're not like your normal braids. These are what you'd call French braids. This braid can be a little complicated if you guys don't really do braids normally. You guys may not even know what French braids are. So if you guys don't know what those are, then don't worry about it. You guys can just do simple braids. As you guys can see here, I split my hair in half and use a rubber band to kind of divide the hair. That way I don't end up grabbing more hair onto the other side. You don't want to have like uneven braids. So make sure that you guys can kind of separate your hair like that. And then I'm just kind of doing a French braid. If you guys know how to do a French braid, then that's awesome. Go ahead and do that. And if you guys do not know how to do French braids, then you guys can just do regular braids. I'm sure the look is going to look super, super cute. As you guys can see here, my hair is quite short compared to this beautiful K-pop idol. I'm not going to say her name because I don't want to mess it up. I don't know Korean, so I don't want to chop her name. So we're just going to keep it as this beautiful K-pop idol. And I'm just kind of braiding my hair at this point, finishing off the look with a black rubber band to kind of keep my hair in place. And I'm going to do the exact same thing onto the other side. Now, before we go on to the other side, I'm going to start by pulling a little bit on the braid. You guys can see here this beautiful artist. She kind of has, her braids are kind of pulled a little bit. They look a little loose. They don't look so tight. So that's kind of what I wanted to go for. Obviously, my braids are not going to look exactly like hers just because my hair is quite short. So I can't pull as much or else my hair, like the braid is totally going to fall apart. I do have, like I said, short hair, so there's like different short layers, and yeah, the braid would pretty much fall apart because my hair is not long enough to kind of, you know, loosen up the braid as much as I want to. This look is super, super cute. This definitely doesn't give me like elegant vibes, but it definitely is a very, very cutesy hairstyle that you can wear with your kind of an everyday outfit, a very, very cutesy look. I think these braids work perfectly for that. For this last look, it's super, super cute and really, really simple. I was surprised to actually do this because my hair is quite short, but yes, I managed to do a bun on my hair. Once again, I'm not going to say her name, this K-pop idol's name, because I don't speak Korean, although I am trying to learn Korean, but I don't want to chop her name. I don't want to offend anyone, so I'm just going to stick with this beautiful K-pop idol. And I'm going to do this cute bun. I feel like she looks super, super cute in this picture. I got really inspired to do this cute bun, so I started by doing my hair in this really, really cute pigtail. I think that it's a definitely good start. You know, you don't want to just go ahead and do the little bun right off of that. I think I want to start off with doing a little ponytail. I think it's going to be a lot easier that way. Because I have pretty short hair, I wanted to make sure that at least the hair was secured in place. So I brushed my hair. Luckily, it was long enough. Then I used a black rubber band and tied my hair in place. This is a more thicker rubber band since I'm grabbing a larger piece of my hair. And then I'm kind of twisting my hair in this sort of twisting motion, and I made it look into this cute little bun. Obviously, you guys can pull on the bun a little bit, pull on the sides, and then I'm using some black bobby pins to secure the bun in place. You guys can use whatever works for you guys. If you guys are not used to doing your buns this way, you guys can totally do it whichever way works for you. I just find that this way works best for me. I've always done my buns this way, and I feel like it turned out really, really cute. I don't normally do buns on my hair. I have pretty short hair, so I usually just straighten my hair, but I think this look is really, really cute. I think this hairstyle worked really well because I have a fringe and I wanted to find looks that, you know, went with a fringe, and but obviously if you guys don't have a fringe, you guys don't have to style your fringe. You can just be a regular bun, and I'm sure it's going to be just as cute and adorable like this K-pop idol. And this is it with this look. This is definitely one of my favorite looks. It was quite simple in my opinion. I found it to be probably the easiest out of all the other hairstyles I showed you guys, and I thought it was really, really cute. I'm definitely going to be styling this look more often. I don't normally put my hair up like this, but I definitely did like it. Let me know which is your guys' favorite member of the group Twice. I feel like they're all beautiful and crazy talented. I mean, I keep finding videos on YouTube and getting recommended of like Twice members, and they're just so pretty. Their music is great. I love their cutesy concept. Honestly, they're like starting to be one of my favorite K-pop idol groups. Like, they're super cute. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at cutefutago, where my twin sister and I post cute pictures from my time living and studying in Japan. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!